Circuit board kit replacement. Open the front cover. Remove the display mounting screws. Disconnect the display ribbon cable. Remove the standoffs. Remove the top board. Remove the signal board from the left. Remove the power board from the right. Flip the flow meter over. Remove the back cover. Use a flathead screwdriver. Disconnect the excitation and signal wires. Note, when removing wires, follow the wiring sequence. EX1, brown. EX2, blue. S1, red. SIG GND, black. S2, white. It is recommended to take a photo for reference during rewiring. Use a Torx screwdriver. Remove the 4 screws on the rear circuit board. Remove the rear circuit board. Prepare the new circuit board kit. Remove the display. Remove the power board. Remove the signal board. Align with the notch direction. Proceed with assembly. Tighten the rear circuit board screws. Reconnect wires according to the previous sequence. EX1, brown. EX2, blue. S1, red. SIG GND, black. S2, white. Excitation and signal wiring complete. Secure the back cover and flip the meter. The left side corresponds to the signal board. The signal board connects via gold fingers. The right side corresponds to the power board, connected via gold fingers. Use the top plate to secure the circuit boards. Secure the top plate with standoffs. Reconnect the display cable. Secure the display with screws. Tighten the front cover. Circuit board kit replacement complete.